Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing absolutely great and are safe at your homes. So guys, in this video I would be doing my full face of makeup using only My Glam products. And guys, yes, this makeup is done in this video only. And guys, this video will be a mini review for My Glam also. I have two boxes kept over here full of makeup. आपको पहले ही बता देती हूँ, this video is not collaboration with My Glam or something. So guys, I have bought all the products with my own money, so I will give you my honest review of the product. मैंने My Glam के प्रोडक्ट्स सारे एक साथ नहीं ऑर्डर किए थे. मैं My Glam के प्रोडक्ट्स को काफ़ी टाइम से कलेक्ट कर रही हूँ. लास्ट ईयर से मैं कलेक्ट कर रही हूँ एंड मैंने काफ़ी यूज़ भी करे हैं बीच में एंड काफ़ी न्यू भी हैं, तो मेरा फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन भी मिल जाएगा इस वीडियो में. एंड मैंने कुछ पहले भी यूज़ करे हुए हैं. सो गाइज, आई ऑलवेज वेटेड फॉर द सेल्स टू कम, क्योंकि My Glam पे काफ़ी मैसिव सेल्स आती है ऑन फेस्टिवल 60%, 70%. सो आई ऑलवेज वेटेड फॉर द सेल्स टू कम एंड काफ़ी कोड्स भी आते रहते हैं My Glam पे. एंड व्हेन यू विल रजिस्टर ना, यू विल रिसीव वेरी अमेजिंग डील्स ऑल्सो एंड पॉइंट्स भी मिलते हैं, तो पॉइंट से भी जो है पैसे रिडीम हो जाते हैं. सो मैंने एक भी प्रोडक्ट के सेम प्राइस पे नहीं करा है एंड मैंने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स लिटरली सारे प्रोडक्ट्स 300, 200, 400 मैक्सिमम 400 तक के मंगाए हैं. तो अगर अभी कोई भी सेल वगैरह चल रही होगी तो मैं सारा डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. अगर कोई भी लिंक्स वगैरह होंगे, कोड्स होंगे. एंड गाइज, मेरा एक रेफरल कोड भी है, मुझे उससे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा बट वो आपके ऐप में ही मिलता है, एक रेफरल कोड. अगर आप उस रेफरल कोड से ऑर्डर करोगे तो आपको 250 या 150 का के पॉइंट्स मिल जाएंगे जो आप अपने ऑर्डर पे रिडीम कर सकते हो. आई डोंट थिंक सो अभी कोई सेल लगी होगी, बट अभी फेस्टिवल्स आएंगे एंड सब पर आपको काफ़ी अच्छे डील्स मिल जाएगी. विदाउट वेस्टिंग मोर टाइम, लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. सो गाइज, माई फेस इज नाइसली prepped and I have also primed my face because I don't have any primer from My Glam. For the foundation, I have this My Glam Clean Beauty BB foundation stick. Inside it looks like this. The price of this foundation stick is it's not a foundation, it's a BB foundation. The price of it is $9.50 and it's kind of expensive. The product is very less and you are getting 5.8 grams of product. Now let's see how the quality. I haven't used this product, so this is my first time. I am applying this foundation stick. I feel it's a perfect match. So guys, to see its coverage, on this side I will use my brush and on this side I will use a beauty blender. So guys, I have started blending the foundation. It is blending very nicely. ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर मुझे ज़्यादा कवरेज नहीं मिल रही है. इट्स वेरी शेयर कवरेज एंड विद ब्रश देर इज़ अ मीडियम कवरेज. अप्लाइंग सम मोर फाउंडेशन. यू कैन सी अभी भी मेरे एक्ने स्कार्स पीक थ्रू कर रहे हैं, बट ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से तो आपने देखा था कुछ भी नहीं हाइड हुआ था, बट ब्रश से ये काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है ये फाउंडेशन. अभी तक तो आई एम लविंग दिस फाउंडेशन एंड इट हैज़ आर्गन ऑयल इन इट, सो इट्स वेरी नाइस फॉर ड्राई स्किन पीपल, सो यू कैन गिव इट अ ट्राई. गाइस, ये काफ़ी अच्छा ग्लो भी दे रहा है फेस पर. गाइस, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू सेट इट बिकॉज for me setting is very important because under eye से crease हो रहा है because I have oily skin. So for setting I have this Pose HD setting powder and from inside it is how it is and it's a white translucent powder. Very little amount and dusting off and just setting under my eyes. As you can see, my base is looking very nice. मुझे फील हो रहा है कि इसने मेरे फेस को काफ़ी स्मूथ बना दिया है, जो काफ़ी अच्छी बात है. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज़ इसकी पैकेजिंग. इसमें कोई भी प्लास्टिक कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं हुआ है. ये फुल कार्डबोर्ड पैकेजिंग से बना है विच इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर एनवायरनमेंट. सो पोस्ट के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स की ऐसी ही पैकेजिंग है. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू ब्रॉन्ज. फॉर द ब्रॉन्जर वी हैव अगेन फ्रॉम पोज. इट्स द HD ब्रॉन्जर ड्यूओ. सेम पैकेजिंग है इसकी भी. कार्डबोर्ड सेम पैकेजिंग एंड बाहर से भी सेम है. एंड फ्रॉम इनसाइड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. इसमें आपको 2 ब्रॉन्जर मिल जाते हैं. वन इज़ वार्म टोन एंड अनदर इज़ कूल टोन. सो लेट मी शो यू द swatches. So this is how the both of the shades looks alike. This is warm tone and this is cool. I'm taking the warm tone one. Ooh, it's pigmented, you guys. Dusting the excess. So bronzing is done. So the price of this bronzer is same as the translucent powder, $6.99. So guys, now it's time for blush. For the blush I have this My Glam K Play Raspberry blush. Sorry guys, I don't have the outer packaging of this blush, but the packaging, the outer packaging was hella cute, man. I will post a picture of the packaging over here if I found on their website, but the packaging was very amazing, very cute. And it's their raspberry blush, and guys, you know what, it literally smells like raspberry. And can you see the design? This is how it looks alike. The swatch of this blush looks alike. This blush is pigmented. I've used this before, that's why I'm telling you. I just love this blush. I don't have to take much product because it is hella pigmented. So I'm dusting out the excess. Can you see? It's so pigmented. Don't worry guys, I will blend it. You can see how beautiful it looks alike. And guys, I feel it will suit all the skin colors and it will look very pretty. For the highlighter I have is this My Glam Magic Potion Roll-On Illuminator. To be honest guys, I have used this before and I don't like this. It has literally chunky glitters in it, which I don't like. This is how the swatch of this highlighter looks like. On camera I feel it's looking better, but in real life if you see the person from near, it doesn't look good. Like the glitter just flash, and like I don't know if someone will apply directly on my face. So what I do is I just take some amount on my palm, and with the brush I apply on my highest point. This is how my face looks alike. It's looking very chunky, and it retails for $9.95, and I don't think like someone will like, it's a pass from my side, like you don't need this. So guys, now it's time for eyes. For the eyes I have an eyeshadow palette from Manish Malhotra collection. So guys, this is how the packaging looks alike. This is the outer packaging, very classy. Inside this is how it looks alike. Golden boundaries and shine black packaging. It looks very classy and elegant. And from inside this is how it looks alike. I have swatched this shade, just giving you some close-up shots. I absolutely love this, and you also get a mirror with it, which is great. So I'm swatching this shade, this, and this brown shade over here. Can you see how pigmented it is? This is how the swatches looks alike. Really sorry for the bad swatches, but yeah. All the shades are very pigmented, and I love this palette. The color scheme is very nice. like mattes, shimmers, glitters. Like this glitter has little fallout, but like when you just blend it now, it is very nice. This is the swatch of it. Like it, when you blend it, it looks so pretty. So I'm taking this brown shade all over my eyelid. Guys, can you see how pigmented it is? Guys, I will take this shade over here with the help of a brush. Oh, it's pigmented, you guys. And guys, I'm using this palette for the first time. I will take this purple shade to create little depth. I am depositing this color in my outer V to create little depth. So guys, like my eyeshadow is complete, but my eye look is not completed yet, and I feel like eye look is looking very pretty. I have eyeliner pencils, and I have these 3 eyeliner pencils. This is from My Glam Lid collection. So let me show you the swatches. This is the first shade. It is called Prom Night. The second shade, and it is called Slay. And this is the third eyeliner pencil. It is very pretty nude yellow toned pencil, and it is in the shade Mode. This eyeliner pencil Mode in my lower waterline. So on my lower lash line, I am using this same brown shade. Guys, for the mascara I have is this My Glam Twisted Voluminizing and Curling Mascara. This is how it looks like, and this is how its wand looks like. And the best thing is, it is a twist in mascara. You can change its shapes by this. You can twist, turn, anything you want. This is how my final eye look turned out. I feel it is looking very pretty. Oh, this palette is very amazing. You can see the pigmentation and all, it's top notch, and the packaging, it is very classy and it looks very luxurious. And but the only thing is its price. It is for 1850 rupees, but as I told you guys that you can always get the My Glam products on discount, so you don't have to worry. Coming to this mascara is very nice. You can see it has curled my eyelashes, and it also given me volume. And if I have to say what was the best thing that I've used, like till now I've used on my face, is this mascara. Like this mascara you have to get from My Glam, like you have to. Well, I feel I have to apply highlighter, so I'm using again this Manish Malhotra palette, and I'm mixing these 2 shimmer shades, taking on the brush. Sorry for this brush. Ooh, it's looking pretty. Guys, I'm applying the same shade on my inner corners also. So guys, only lips are left. For the lips, I have 3 to 4 options. So I have these 2 My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick, and one I have is this Manish Malhotra lipstick, and fourth I have is this My Glam Pose HD lipstick. Packaging of the Lit collection is very nice. So you can see on the eyeliners also, it was like blue and a greenish, and on this purple and pink packaging. These are the shades that I got for the Lit collection, and to be honest, I don't like this like the formula of this lipstick. The colors are very pretty. One is this burnt orange color, and another is chocolate nude brown shade, and to be honest, the formula is not good. It's very drying on your lips, and like you have to prepare your lips like very nicely. Guys, these are the swatches of the lid collection. This one, the chocolate brown shade, this is our bomb, and this burnt orange shade is stashing. Coming to this Pose HD lipstick, I really like the formula. It's very hydrating on your lips because it's a creamy lipstick, and this is how its swatch looks like. A very pretty coral shade, and the shade is muted coral. So guys, coming up to this Manish Malhotra lipstick, again the packaging is something very nice. It looks very high-end lipstick, and again normal black packaging with gold detailings, and also it has a magnetic packaging which is great. This is how its swatch looks like. Very pretty pinky nude shade, and the shade is barely nude. And guys, I will be using this shade on my lips today. So guys, I really like the formula of this lipstick. It's very hydrating. It's a creamy lipstick. So guys, my makeup is done and I feel it is looking very pretty. Please let me know in the comment section like if it is looking good or not. And so guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends and family. And guys, from now I will try to be consistent. Like, I don't know why I was not filming, but from now I will try to be like, I have to consistent on YouTube. So yeah, I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.